Hello guys, in this video we will install the Ubuntu OS in VirtualBox. Let's see how we can do that. First of all, go to the virtualbox.org and go to download section. And so mostly I hope people use Windows, so I'm keeping this video for Windows only. So go to Windows host so that you will get the application downloaded. I have it already, so I'm not downloading it. So then go to osboxes.org/Ubuntu and go to first one Ubuntu 24.04. So for VirtualBox, make sure you download it. Yeah, it is like 2.2 GB. I'm not downloading right now because I have already downloaded it. Okay, so let's see the installation process. So first, I have the exe file downloaded for the VirtualBox. Let me install it. Click on as. Okay, next, accept. So so it got installed. Finish. So VirtualBox got installed. Fine. Now here this is the file which I have in for me the Ubuntu which I downloaded here. So let me extract this. So I'm extracting in desktop only. See, once we extract, it is almost the size of 6 GB. Okay, so the extraction is done. So here, this is the extracted file. So if you go onto that, so you see again 64-bit. So this is the virtual disk image which we will be loading into VirtualBox so that we can use the Ubuntu OS. Okay, so now I'm opening the VirtualBox. Okay, here is the VirtualBox. So what we need to do, we need to, okay, so click on new Ubuntu. If you type the Ubuntu name here, automatically the type and everything going to be auto selected. No need to change that. Click on next and keep the memory as a 4 GB RAM. Okay, so processes can be seen. Next, so virtual hard disk. We are not creating the virtual hard disk. We are using the existing one. So select. So here, what you need to do, maybe it won't show you here. Then what you need to do, click on add, go to the location where we downloaded 64-bit. Here it is the one. Select it and open so that you will have the Ubuntu selected here and choose that one and choose. Right now, click on next. Then finish. So once you finish, if you notice, see here we got one Ubuntu, right? How we can start it? Just select that and click on start. As a first time, it takes some time. If you see after some like a minute, you see that Ubuntu 24.04 is loading. I'm just pausing the video so that it lets it keep loaded fully. Here it got loaded. Okay, so you can ignore these messages. Okay, now let me make the full size. So here if you see it says like osboxes.org and is asked for the password, right? So what will be the password? So where we downloaded from osbox.org this version. So go to the info. Here if you see username and password were given already, right? So let me type the password osboxes.org. So it's keep logging in. Let it load fully. Okay, it says welcome to Ubuntu. Next, enable Ubuntu Pro or skip this step. You can skip it for now. Help improve Ubuntu. It's up to you whether you want to share the data or not. Now click on finish. So, but it shows as a very small screen, right? Go to view and virtual screen. Let's increase the size to 150 so that you can see like this. And still you don't want to like show the above things and want to more screen, what you can do, host F, so that it will be the full screen like this. And if you want to exit, just click again control, which is host F, so that it will be back. So to turn off the Ubuntu, what we can do, if you see right hand side there, you see here we have suspend restart power off, which is same as the Windows systems, right? So the next thing, whether this Ubuntu system has internet connected or not. So for that, let's check. Here, if you see the LAN icon is showing, that means which internet is already get connected, right? But still, we can make sure by logging into browser by browsing something, right? So maybe like Google, right? Internet was working fine. So one another thing is the mainly which we use in Ubuntu is terminal. So where to get the terminal? Here, if you see, click on that one in time search like terminal. So you see the terminal. So when you click on that, here it goes. We got the terminal. Okay. So next time to not search, what we can do here, we can make to pin to dash so that if I close it, here it is there so that I can directly open the terminal from here. Okay. So this is the installation of the VirtualBox.